Are you helping, Mom? Are you helping, Mom?
He's terrorizing me.
He's got wrapping paper stuck on his foot. So
I'm losing my mind over here. Every time I try to do something, he's walking through. Go. Oh, now he goes around. Every other time he went right through here and was like falling on paper.
you mean right here, Mom?
Are you helping? This the whole time.
I'll just sit right here. This looks like a good spot.
I'll wrap on top of you, okay?
You do what you need to do.
Graham and Gail, this is your present. Heigo's helping. The hard part about living here in Christmas is that it takes like 3 or 4 weeks for stuff to get there. So it's December 1st. I should have this stuff in the mail, but I'm not done shopping and you have to be very organized. So we're trying. Okay, tonight I'm making a whole bunch of cookies because somehow I got volunteered to make cookies for Gabe's school. Gabe, how did that happen?
I'm a dashing, convincing kind of guy.
Yeah, so I'm making 3 batches of cookies, which I've never made 3 at the same time. So I feel like it's like so much. Can you see how much this is like before the dry ingredients? It's like so much butter. It's like 3 cups of butter, 3 cups of white sugar, and 3 cups of brown sugar, and it's like so much. And 6 eggs. This is 6 in Taiwan, by the way. And it's a very addicting habit to do. All right, now we're adding the baking soda and oh my god, it's so much. It's so much cookie batter. I feel like I did it wrong, but maybe not. I was following very closely and making sure, okay, times 3. I'm sure it's right, but I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure. It had 9 cups of flour. It was this whole thing.
Hoping to make one big cookie, hoping that it'll go faster.
Yeah, just a reminder, we just have a toaster oven. So we're cooking 3 batches of chocolate chip cookies.
Trying to find a way to cook it fast.
And you have cookie batter on your glasses.
Of course I do.
And we're watching Christmas movies. But we did watch a bunch of, dare I say, crappy Hallmark movies.
Yeah. Hey. We now know the 3 or 4 different recipes for Hallmark movies.
They all have the same plot. You can like check them off as they do it. Business journalist or something from the city who has an opportunity to buy an inn in the country.
Yeah. Or the soldier coming back home. The wrong relationship.
And Santa comes and fixes their relationship.
Yeah, who knew Santa's Cupid?
Hallmark did. I'm eating probably the most American thing I could ever think of. Blueberries and milk with sugar on top.
Just to show you about the cookies, we didn't video the end of it because it was about like 1 o'clock in the morning. It made a lot of cookies. We have plenty of cookies for my kids.
This is a December 5th day and it's absolutely gorgeous outside. The sun is shining on the mountain and don't need a jacket. So Taiwan weather is pretty amazing. It can be a little hot in the summer, but in winter it's nice. This is happening right out front of our balcony. Fireworks in the daytime. He goes like, what's happening? Never saw fireworks in the daytime before it came to Taiwan. Alright, tell us what was happening.
We believe it might be a transfer of God. We heard house music, and we also heard drums as well. This is just another day.
Alright, we're gonna take the dogs for a walk.
Take them for a walk.
It's really beautiful out right now.
We're holiday shopping.
Yeah, hi guys. Today we are in downtown Taichung City and we decided to come to the department store because it always feels Christmassy and they have lights up and just like the shopping vibe. So we're gonna grab dinner and maybe do some shopping.
Go ahead. on Christmas. Pikachu wearing a Christmas cape. We got a Pikachu blow up with a Santa hat. And a Christmas music. Our holiday shopping meal involves sushi and ramen for us here. And for me, it feels like Christmas when we're here, even when it's not Christmas time.
For whatever reason, we didn't eat anything today, just like snacked. So I'm like so tired and so starving right now. So this is gonna be amazing.
I'm really excited right now. Salmon and sushi is always fresh. It tastes absolutely wonderful. Hits the spot. Plus, the scooter ride's a little chilly. This definitely warms you up. It's absolutely delicious.
Yes.
As you have a noodle sticking out of your mouth.
This is a special drink. Salted cheese and black tea. So it sounds awful, but it's like the black tea, like the salty flavor actually works really well. So I like it. Seared salmon. Just like melts in your mouth. Really good.
My only regret is I didn't get a large. The shopping culture, they do a lot of shopping here. I envision what it was like back in the heyday back home. The stores, when they open, there's lines to get in. They always have like promo things like singers and DJs and performers. It really makes the shopping experience engaging.
Yeah, like you said, it feels like when my parents talk about when the malls first came around in like the 60s, 70s.
There's a small portion of me that actually does like going to the mall here. Just because like it could kind of relive what it was perhaps like.
He loves it. He always suggests to come to the mall here. Don't listen to him.
They have good food.
Yeah, there's lots of food. But it's booming here. This mall has 18 stories, and there's another mall just as big right next to it, and there's just so many like
and there's
this.
Another one no more than a quarter of a mile away.
Alright, it's Thursday night, and when we were driving home, we saw that they're having like a Christmas little fair bazaar thing out front of our building. This guy's house is so awesome. Like, there's houses in our community, and he doesn't have them on. He has like a whole thing. It goes all the way up to the top and across here, and the deer. Alright, we tried a little strawberry cake sandwich.
I tried the Boston lobster.
Sorry, can you speak Chinese?
No. Ni-hao?
Number one. Okay.
这个老公公，这个跟这个100吗？还是这样子？它跟它是不一样嘛？没有，那个是一起。他喜欢这个，我喜欢这个，因为我叫小朋友，所以他走那个哦，中文讲的好棒哦。
Okay, I'm gonna get 3.
是呀，对。
I thought she was gonna get more.
More? How many more do I need? That was an epic thing, getting them earrings.
That's my lobster roll. We are nowhere near the ocean right now, nor are we near Boston. So this is really good.
And it's from a food truck that showed up outside of our house.
We got shrimp chips.
I have my strawberry sandwich. It's like 2 pancakes with some cream inside and strawberries. So we're gonna try it. The pancake or the waffle doesn't have really too much of a flavor. It's just there for like a sandwich aspect, but the cream isn't too sweet. It's nice, and then the tartness of the strawberry. So it's a good little snack.
Christmas photos. What you do when you don't have kids.
He's just like, what? Am I next? I don't want to be next.
Anyway, we just wanted to wrap this video up.